We're going to get a fraction as the answer for this problem. It says to solve using the square root property. Okay, and there are other ways to solve this, but if it's asking you to use a square root property, you have to do that. And what you need to do first is you need to get your square part by itself. So we need to get rid of the minus 2. I will add 2 to both sides. Okay, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So I have 3x squared equals, let's see, 0 plus 2 is 2. Next step, to get the x squared by itself, I will need to divide both sides by 3. And now 3 over 3 is 1. So 1x squared equals 2/3. Now that the x squared is by itself, I'm going to take the square root of both sides.
Plus or minus.
That's right, boys. Plus or minus. So on the left-hand side, the square root of x squared is just x. On the right-hand side, I have plus or minus the square root of 2 over 3. Now, you have gotten your x by itself, but you can never leave a number, a denominator, under a radical, okay? You can't leave a radical in the denominator. Let me rewrite this so you can see what that looks like. If I split it up, it would be square root of 2 over square root of 3. So you can't have a denominator with a radical. And do you remember what we do to get rid of that? We have to do something called rationalizing the denominator. So we will multiply top and bottom by square root of 3 over square root of 3. And now x equals plus or minus. In the numerator, I'm going to get square root of 6. And in the denominator, square root of 3 times square root of 3, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. So now I have plus or minus square root of 6 over 3. Okay, and that's my two answers right there. Now, I make sure to write them out as two different answers, so I don't think it's just one. This is going to be square root of 6 over 3 and negative square root of 6 over 3. Okay, so not only did I have fractions, but guess what? I had to rationalize the denominator.